Yeah, okay, welcome back. So I just finally got this TrioVing, the one of the two TrioVings picked, and I didn't get it on a video, but I wanted to show you the insides of it anyway. I haven't opened this. I haven't seen the internals of this yet, but I picked it now 3 times. So let's get it. Yeah. Something's happened. It's a barrel pin. Another barrel pin. A third barrel pin. A fourth barrel pin. Five barrel pins. Let's see now. 6 barrel pins. Look at that. Yeah, anyway. Now take a look at the core. See what we have here. Standard. Standard. Standard pin. Yet another standard. All steel. In the bottom. Yeah. So there you go. Seems like a 7-pin core with only 6 chambers packed with these barrel pins. I picked it offhand, holding in my hand like that, and not in the vise. So that's interesting. Anyway, yeah, so that's the internals of the TrioVing 7-pin core with only 6 chambers filled up. So thanks for watching, and see you later.